I will be communicating with the units by email, so please check your email once in a while. Also, I need to know when you have events, whether it's Post, Sons, Riders, Auxiliary. I want to attend. And yes, I can cook.
Lunch here.
What can't?
We know that. ALA D13 is our district Facebook page. If you're not on Facebook, a lot of good information gets put there. Dates to remember. Department workshop will be August 12th through the 14th in Baltimore Springs. District meeting will be at Post 103, Ponta Gorda. That'll be September 12th. September 18th will be District School of Instruction at Post 274, Fort Myers Beach. And certainly, ladies, let's have some fun this year with what we do. And the district staff is here to help you. And Sergeant at Arms, please escort the district staff to the podium. Ladies, please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Jan Farrington. I come from John F. Murphy, Unit 303 in bright and sunny Bonita Springs. I am your district vice president. I also chair the Public Relations Committee, and I also chair the Education Committee.
Good afternoon. I'm Claudine Alvarez from Unit 136 in beautiful town of San James City. I'm the district vice president and also the chairman for Poppies.
Nobody here knows who I am. What? I'm Gene Nato. I'm your parliamentarian for District 13. I'm your department sergeant at arms. I'm your past district president. And I hail from Unit 110 in the Muddy River, north of the side of Port Charlotte. And I'm here to help you. And thank you for inviting us here today.
Grace Shaw from Lehigh Acres, and beautiful downtown Lehigh Acres, pardon me. And I am your unit historian, and I'm also the unit historian at 323.
Sergeant at Arms, please escort the officers before me. Yeah.
Madam President, I am proud to present to you the duly elected officers from Raybo Wilkinson, Unit 38, and Robert H.R. Dabney, Unit 192, for installation.
And ladies, I forgot to have you introduce yourselves.
Sharon Beck, 323, Assistant Sergeant at Arms.
I'm Sherry Shook. I am the Sergeant at Arms, and I hail from Unit 323 in beautiful downtown Lehigh Acres.
You have been chosen to fill the various offices of these units. You will familiarize yourself with the duties of your respective offices as given in the unit guidebook. Always remember that the welfare and success depends upon you. Therefore, I would remind you of the obligation which every American Legion auxiliary member assumes, the obligation of preserving the integrity of the American Legion and the American Legion Auxiliary, contributing to the aims and purposes of our organization, the ideals of justice, freedom, democracy, and loyalty. You will now raise your right hand, repeat after me, placing your name where I place mine. I, Joanne Scales Burrowing, I promise to perform faithfully all the duties of the office I am about to assume. And I further pledge that I am not a member of and do not subscribe to the principles of any group opposed to our form of government. You may lower your hands. Secretaries, please step forward. Awesome. I don't never have bitten anybody.
It's always the first time.
We'll see though. It's much Meltoria and Marcia. Your duties are those of administrative and the promptness and discretion with which you meet your responsibilities will contribute to the success of your units. Congratulations. You can Cecilia, awesome. Someone like this. Come on, forward.
Treasurer Cecilia, your office is one of trust. You are responsible for this year's budget and for payment of all authorized obligations. Guard well your trust. Congratulations.
First Vice President Bessie, step forward. She's the first.
To you is given the active cooperation with the President for the development of the unit program. In the absence of the President, you will be prepared to assume the duties of her office. Your office carries with it the teachings of justice. Always remember that justice is the guiding star of life. Congratulations.
Will the President step forward? There they are. Ellen, Vanessa, great trust has been placed in you by your election to the highest office within your units. And as you assume the duties of the President of Unit 38 and 192 of the American Legion Auxiliary, I charge you to carry constantly in your mind the obligation which is yours, that of upholding the four great principles expressed in the preamble of the Constitution: justice, freedom, democracy, and loyalty. Congratulations, ladies. Please turn and face your audience. I congratulate these units upon the officers you have chosen. I have charged them with a serious responsibility, and in turn, I charge you likewise. Please turn and face the podium. Assistant Sergeant at Arms, please escort all the officers except for the presidents to their seats. Sergeant at Arms, please escort the presidents to the podium. Come on. Take shower today. Yes. Ladies, you're outgoing and incoming, so we'll just tell you about the incoming. To you, as the new presidents of Unit 38 and 192, Department of Florida, I present to you this gavel. Your symbol of authority. May you use it with discretion and in the best interest of this unit. I remind you that great trust has been reposed in you by your re-election to the highest office these units can bestow. You are entrusted with the supervision of the duties of all the officers and are responsible for this year's success. I charge you to carry constantly in your mind the obligation which is yours, that of upholding the four great principles expressed in the preamble to the Constitution: justice, freedom, democracy, and loyalty. Thank you, ladies, for being who you are. Sergeant, oh, do you guys have anything to say? Yes. Go for it.
Hey. Helen. Yeah, girl. Okay, ladies, let us get ready to work. We're going to do it by Zoom, or we'll do it in person, whichever is available for our meeting days. Okay? Madam Joanne, our unit would like to present to you a little small token of our appreciation during these hard days that you put through.
Thank you.
Right.
What? Yeah, I know. Oh, it's that Himalayan salt of land.
Oh, that's in there.
Oh.
Oh, my.
Another surprise.
Oh, a nice little car. That's why we have bicycles.
That is not right.
It's a compliment.
Oh, okay, got it. That's right.
And thank you so much. Okay, Sergeant at Arms, please escort the president to their seats.